In the US stock markets, the S&P 500 and the Dow Industrial Average experienced their largest weekly drop since March 2023, while the Nasdaq saw its biggest weekly decline since January 2022. This market downturn follows the US Labor Department data, which revealed that employers added about 142,000 jobs in the month of August, which fell short of analyst expectations. This Reuters report gets you a lowdown on all the action on Wall Street.
U.S. stocks fell on Friday, weighed down by a jobs report that left traders uncertain about how far the Federal Reserve will go in cutting interest rates. The Dow dropped 1%, the S&P 500 shed about 1.75%, and the Nasdaq plunged more than 2.5% to register its biggest weekly percentage drop since January 2022. U.S. Labor Department data showed employers added 142,000 jobs in August, less than analysts' expectations. The report means the Federal Reserve will likely cut rates later this month. But it may also suggest a narrower chance the economy achieves a soft landing, said Kevin Mon, Chief Investment Officer at Hennion & Walsh Asset Management.
If you look at the Federal Reserve, they are data dependent, right? So by definition, that means they're going to be backward looking and late to the party. Once again, we're finding out that they're late to the party. If in fact they cut by 50 basis points or more in their September meeting, I think that sends an alarming message to investors that this economic slowdown is now gotten much ahead of what the Fed anticipated and could lead into a potential recession.
Dragging the indexes down Friday, the so-called Magnificent Seven megacap tech stocks, all of which lost ground. Tesla slumped nearly 8.5%, while Alphabet and Nvidia both fell 4%. The sell-off spread to other chip stocks, including Broadcom, which sank almost 10.5% after forecasting fourth-quarter revenue slightly below estimates. Marvell Technology dropped more than 5%, and Advanced Micro Devices shed 3.7%. As a result, the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index finished lower by 4.5%, logging its biggest weekly drop since March 2020.